In this tutorial, we will go over TradeUI's Insight tools. Whenever you log into TradeUI and you click on the left-hand side right here, you'll select Insights. And what that does is brings up three different tools for TradeUI's tool, known as Aggressive Buyer Index, ABI, Option Flow by Sector, and Top Flow by Premium. We'll start with the ABI. The Aggressive Buyer Index shows spikes in premium or regular option contracts getting bought and sold throughout the trading day in a linear format for whatever ticker you select. In this case, we have the S&P 500, and we're going to have premium fills selected. We're going to have the time period set for today, and the time frame, we're going to look at minute by minute on how the option data is coming in the trading day. So what you want to look for is big spikes, and these spikes will have four different options. You have call premium to the buy side, put premium to the buy side, call premium to the sell side, and put premium to the sell side. And it'll give you the corresponding tickers and the time in which these actual spikes happened. And it'll show you the value of the premium or the value of the fill for whatever these option contracts are worth. So example right here at, I believe it was 10:47 a.m., we had nearly $2 million worth of put contracts on the buy side for the S&P 500. So right here at 10:45, they expect a downturn on the S&P 500. So you can use this for various tools. If you want to be a day trader, you can identify this, especially early in the day, to see the overall market sentiment for a particular stock you have in question. Next, we have our options flow by sector. What this does, it gives you a 30,000 foot view of where money is getting thrown into the market, divided into each sector which is listed below. We list the put premium, the put contracts, the call premium, and the call contracts. So whenever you see a lot of call premium and call contracts, you tend to know that people are putting money in that sector. You can filter from today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, and last month. And you can also get a good time range of when people are buying it. Is it 0 to 10 days? Is it 11 to 20, 21 to 30, or 30 plus? So if we want a 30,000 foot view of the markets, we can go and we can look at this week and we can see where people are throwing money. So we see a lot of money going into tech, communication services, and it looks like consumer cyclicals. So these three sectors are what people are betting on for the next 30 days plus. Lastly, we're going to go over top flow by premium. And what this does, it shows the top option flows throughout the trading day, the tickers associated on this side, and whether there's bulls or bears. So in this case, NVIDIA has 27.5 million worth of option contracts getting bought today, to whereas they had roughly 6.2 million worth of puts. So you can look at the bigger the difference between the green and the red can give you an overall sentiment of where money's going. For example, right here, I believe this is FSLR. Looks like a lot of people are super bearish on FSLR today because there's hardly any people buying, but there's a lot of people selling. And vice versa with ATVI, you have a lot of people buying and you have a lot of people selling. And you don't have that many people selling right here. And if you want to, you can actually select call and now get rid of all the calls, and vice versa for puts. However, we recommend looking at both sets, that way you know where the money's moving. And lastly, if you want to look at something else we have, is the overall top flow by contracts. This is a heat map that's constantly changing throughout the trading day that shows you a quick glance of the total call sweeps versus the total put sweeps for any individual stock. In this case, NVIDIA has had 342 call sweeps and 96 put sweeps today. This is the end of this tutorial. If you'd like to click on more tutorials, check out our YouTube video below.